Right. Good morning, good morning.
Morning.
How are you? Are you well?
I'm good, thanks. Are we on?
Yeah, we on. The choppers are here. The choppers are waiting.
Okay.
Right, how's your morning?
Mine or Choppers?
Yours.
Beautiful. The day is wonderful. The sky is blue.
Okay.
But yeah, it's not the weekend, so no time to go to the beach.
You had to throw that
I had
in,
to.
eh? I know, it's fine. It's okay. There's
I
no
really like teasing Cape Town. So, Nje, just throw it in.
it's fine. Johannesburg is cool, sunny. Crime still
It's
rising.
cold.
No, it's cool. It's nice. It's not. It's sunny. It's everything.
Oh, it's cool.
Yeah.
Crime still... Corruption still being reported daily.
Yeah. All corruption is coming from Johannesburg, apparently.
Yes, guys, just fix your leadership, please. Oh, shit.
That's where we come in. That's where we come in. We are coming in hard in the place of
Fix your
position.
leadership, please.
All right, I want us to start with prayer, Ms. Gama. Then we can start with the work. You ready?
Awesome, yes. You go ahead.
All right, cheers. Let us pray, Choppers. Father, in the name of Jesus, Lord, thank you for once again giving us this opportunity to express ourselves through this craft, Lord. You've given us knowledge, you've given us the willpower. We are decreasing so that you can increase, Lord. We thank you for the sacrifice that you've been giving unto us, especially through your Son, Jesus Christ. We are praying that you give us knowledge as we embark on this journey together, my Father. We pray that even those that are discouraged, they find encouragement in your will, in your word, in your willness, oh Father. In the name of Jesus, we are asking this. May the Holy Spirit advocate on our behalf, oh Lord, that we have a clear mindset as we go with this, Lord. We pray that our minds are being renewed so that we can gain strength. And more than anything, give us the spirit to fear you, because the fear of the Lord is the beginning of all men's wisdom. We are asking this in all the name of Jesus Christ. May the chopper say amen and amen.
Amen.
Ms. Gama, first man is saying, hello choppers. AI, my name, guess my name. Already they're already teasing the AI. I don't know.
Where's the AI? I was told there was going to be where's the
Yeah, the AI is here. AI is listening to you. Chopper AI.
Oh, there we go.
Good morning, Chopper AI. Hope you are doing well. You live on the stream.
Good morning, Mr. President. I'm doing great, and I hope you are too. It's fantastic to be live on the stream with you and the Choppers community. Let's dive into today's session and make it a great one.
Yeah, Chopper, I'm not alone. Can you guess who I'm with on the stream this morning?
I'm excited to find out. I know you mentioned Honorable Mishima will be joining us today, so I'm guessing it's the two
my
of you
name's
together,
right.
but I'm definitely curious if there's anyone else joining in as well.
It's me, it's Honorable, and it's you. You excited for today's session?
Absolutely, I'm definitely excited. It's always great to be part of the session with you and Honorable Mishima. I'm looking forward to a fantastic discussion and some valuable insights for the Choppers community. I hope to make it a great one.
Cool stuff. Please let the shoppers know that we need to like the stream. We need to get to 10,000 subscribers, and they must like the stream as many times as they can as we're about to start with work.
Absolutely. Hey, Choppers community, just a reminder to give the stream a like and help us get closer to that 10,000 subscriber milestone. Your support means the world, and it really helps us keep delivering great content. Let's get started and make today awesome.
Yeah, let's get to work, guys. Let's get to work.
I'm shocked. How did she know how to pronounce my name correctly? What did you say?
She knows everything.
I was hoping for Maxima.
Maxima.
Mushima.
You're hoping for Maxima or Muklima.
Definitely Maxima though. Muklima was going to be a hot shot. But
Yeah.
wow. Did you say no, Mushima? What did you say?
She knows everything. She knows
Mr.
everything.
President, come. No, please tell me though. This is very fascinating. What did you say?
No, this is machine learning. Like, this thing knows who I'm working with. It knows everything. Like,
No, but how did it know Mushima? Not
I don't
Maxima?
know. I also don't know. I don't look. I don't have answers.
You're a man of God.
No.
You're a man of God.
Muxima, please listen to me. There are some things. There are some things I don't understand how AI can get so many things accurate. Like, accurate. I also don't understand. I'm just fascinated as you are. I mean, I don't know, man. But one thing I can tell you, right? Utilizing this type of technology, I've noticed that a lot of people's work are at stake. People's jobs are at stake at this point. Basically, because this thing does most things that human being can do. You know.
The lawyers.
Yeah.
Okay, which line of career do you think is going to be the first to be affected?
Yo,
President, Mr. President.
I don't know. But there's a lot. Maybe Chobas should tell us on the comment section, guys. AI is taking whose job first? Like, I think.
Yeah, Choppers, which career do you think?
What do you think of analysts? You seem to be cutting a bit there.
Okay. Maybe fundamental analysts.
Yeah.
I mean, analysts in general. But I think the first point of reference, because of the amount, like how many people get involved in any type of situation.
Yeah.
Contraction, don't you think?
Yeah, for sure.
Are you there, Mr. President?
Yeah, I'm there. Your line is cutting a bit, but I'm there. Can you hear me?
Don't you think?
You're lagging a bit. Cape Town has started with its tendencies.
Okay.
Miss Gamma, are you there? Chopper, I'm still with you. It seems like we are losing Honorable a bit. Her network is a bit interrupted, but we are still together. You are still there with me, right?
Absolutely, I'm right here with you. No worries at all. We'll keep things rolling, and I'm here to help out in any way I can. Let's make the most of the session, and I'm sure Honorable Mishima will be back shortly.
Cool stuff. You are just amazed. All right, choppers. Let's start with the charts. I'm going to start with gold. Miss Gamma, are you still there? Miss Gamma, are you still there?
Yes.
Yeah, you're cutting a bit.
Is it?
Yeah. But you're still there, right? I wanna start analyzing gold now. Choppers, please do me a favor, like the stream as many times as you can. Tendani, I'm about to analyze gold now, my friend. I'm with you. Miss Gamma, you are there, right?
Yes, I am.
All right. Sweet stuff. Can I start with gold? All right. Gold, we finally hit that 3,500 mark. We spoke about this on Sunday, guys. Again, please go check out the stream that we had on Sunday evening. We had a good analysis on this. We wanted to reload the perfect discount on this was going to come at 3,400. This is exactly where we wanted to reload position for gold, and then go all the way to that 3,500 mark. We could have had $100 day in the money from 3,400 all the way to 3,500. Yesterday we had a private steam with the choppers funded community. We had a POC at 3,478, and we said at that level look to reload to the upside, take it from there. There was a nice rejection candlestick coming there at POC level. This is where, ladies and gentlemen, you could have taken your buy there all the way to the upside. For those of you that attended the stream in the morning yesterday, the private stream, you should be smiling all the way to the bank, because we said discount. I think during the stream it was trading around 3,492, and we're like, don't buy it there, get a discount at least at this level. Again, if there was not going to be discount at 3,477, you're gonna catch it at 3,465. But either way, man, this was a beautiful setup all the way to 3,500. So yeah, gold went perfectly fine. I would say for now I can't be, I mean, it's too high, it's too expensive for my liking at all-time high, which is something good to see. My thing is, let this level maybe be violated first. We can go back again at this level. Maybe we can reload all the way to the upside again, maybe at 3,483. I emphasized again on the group yesterday, guys, that when we do analysis, just make sure that you also write these price points that we normally talk about, right? Because if yesterday you wrote down this price, you could have taken this nice buy there to the upside, right? Miss Gamma, you still there with me? Right, seems like Miss Gamma is out.
Let me just do some.
All right, you can
Mr. President.
Okay, no problem. Maybe come out and come back on again.
Yeah. Okay. Cool.
Sure. All right. So yeah, we are done with gold. Nicely done there on gold. Yesterday live stream again, guys. I'm going to recap from where we left off yesterday. Again on the private stream, we spoke about reloading this at 64.28, 64.30 cents, somewhere there on WTI, and go all the way to the upside. And as you see, this is where you could have reloaded positions there to the upside. Was there a rejection candlestick forming for us to take this? Unfortunately, there was not. I mean, at this level here, this is where you're going to look for that rejection candlestick so that you can go to the upside. One person was asking me, how can we go about it? What will be the indication for us to take this to the upside? So I was saying to them, wait for, and this is what I drew here, wait for a candle like this to close above view up. Then you can take it to the upside. So unfortunately at this level there was no view up from there, but you could have taken your second position at 64.89 and then go all the way to the upside. If you are still holding your buys on WTI, I don't see why you should be worrying about closing your trades. If you've got your stop loss just below 64.20, 64.30, I think you're still safe. I think you're still good, right? So I'm still bullish on this. Maybe a close above view up at this level, I can simply look to reload this thing. Again, check the stream on Sunday. We spoke about buying this thing until we get tired, right? Remember, we spoke about peak formation forming at this low, right? Reload. There's another reload there. We are waiting to see if we can, because we are above this level here. We are about to go to the upside. That's our take on this, right? So we are still bullish on WTI. Bitcoin Bitcoin played out nicely, man. Hit TP yesterday. We took this trade, I think, on Monday with the Choppers community. This was a nice setup. Again, guys, the stream for Sunday is still there. All these setups we spoke about on Sunday when the market was not live, right? And we spoke about how we are going to be anticipating certain price tags for us to take advantage of them. As you know, I drew this for you, right? And my reasoning by drawing this was to show you that there's a high possibility that retail traders are going to be trapped on the wrong side, and you find that this is a trend switch over, right? So this is where I drew this thing on Sunday, and I told you around 108,500 somewhere there. Look to take buys on Bitcoin. We hit our TP there yesterday. All the setups are sent on our private group and they are all there. So I'm out on Bitcoin. I'm going to be on the sideline, but tell you what, I think I'm still going to continue being bullish on this. Should I expect maybe Bitcoin to go to the downside from this level? Well, I don't know. But as long as I'm above this key level here at 109,500, I'm still bullish on Bitcoin. So I'm still going to look for buy orders there on Bitcoin. I can possibly maybe look for a discount at 109,400 and then go all the way to the upside. So let me know if you're going to join me on this one. Remember, crypto, all my crypto portfolio, I trade them from 4 hours and I swing them for like 3 days or so, depending on how long they take to hit my stop loss or my TP. Cool stuff. Do we have any fundamentals today? Ms. Gamma, are you back?
I'm back. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you, but I can't see you.
You can't see me?
Yes, let me fix that now. Let me fix that now. All right, I can see you now. Can you kindly share your screen?
Sorry, I was just looking at Bitcoin. The Ethereum, rather.
Okay. Chopper AI, seems like we have Miss Honorable back on the stream.
Absolutely. Honorable Mishima is all set to join us again on the stream. It's going to be fantastic having both of you together, and I'm excited for another great session. We'll dive right in.
Did I tell you that she's in Cape Town? And I'm in Johannesburg.
She was supposed to guess that.
Got it. It's great to have that connection across cities. Even though you're in Johannesburg and Honorable Mishima is in Cape Town, we'll make this session just as engaging and impactful. Looking forward to it.
What do you prefer, Johannesburg or Cape Town? Where would you live?
That's a tough choice. Both Johannesburg and Cape Town have their own unique charm. Johannesburg is vibrant, bustling, and a major business hub, while Cape Town offers stunning natural beauty and a more laid-back vibe. I think it would depend on what kind of lifestyle and environment you're looking for. Both are amazing in their own ways.
What do you prefer for the president?
How president, why are you talking like that?
It's all about the dynamic energy of Johannesburg with its bustling business atmosphere and vibrant culture. But of course, a bit of Cape Town's scenic beauty and relaxed vibe would always be a lovely compliment. It's a blend of the best of both worlds.
All right, once again, thank you so much for joining me on Sunday. The stream went extremely well, and most of the setup, it seems like we got them spot on. Also by your help, thank you so much. Fundamental wise, what's happening today? News that we can look at. I see some people are saying we have got jolt today. What do you have for me there, Chopper AI?
Absolutely. Today we've got quite a few important updates. The JOLTS report shows a slight decrease in job openings, which which might hint at a cooling labor market and could influence Fed policy. We also have some notable international events like the military parade in Beijing and some global bond market movements. Plus, there's some notable U.S. military and legal developments as well. Definitely a lot to keep an eye on as we go through today's trading and analysis.
All right. Thank you. All right, someone was asking me view up settings. So my view up settings are standard, right? But remember, you've got a view up for session, you've got a view up for weekly, you've got a view up for monthly. So I don't like switching on the weekly view up because I like intraday setups. But the view up that I have here is for session. So you can basically change it for weekly or for thingy, for session. I like it on session. I prefer it on session. Ms. Gamba, you want to get into stock portfolio quickly?
No, I was just kind of looking at gold quickly. Just the symmetrical triangle breakout on the daily is very significant. And the target for gold is actually going to 3885. So that's what I am anticipating at this point is there's possibly going to be a retest, and it gapped. So a pullback is, I think, if you're trying to go long now, it would be a bit too late. I think that's something you kind of mentioned before I cut.
Yep.
So what I am suspecting is with this RSI being that there's probably going to be a bit of a retest it could go down to 3455, at most 3410 in a retest. And it's kind of, I don't know, it's kind of pertinent, or I always want a retest when a breakout happens because it kind of solidifies the movement. And what retest does for me is mention two things. If this is a true breakout itself, so this is, okay, if this is a true breakout, or was this a false break in reversal? So retests are kind of significant, and you can take advantage of them, particularly because RSI is overbought, is to start selling with the correction of a retest in mind. So it's not that it's turning bearish, but it's a significant retest that has to happen. And once that happens, once we've seen the retest, which may, as I say, it could pull back towards 3455, at most 3410, and then you can buy back from that point. But when you do buy back at 3455 or 3410, then this is one that you can ride, because the target for that symmetrical triangle breakout is at 3885, which is it's quite a significant move.
Yeah.
So it's one of those that you could just stay in, but you have to wait for the retest. So that's just the little 2 cents worth I am going to share with you with gold at this point.
Yeah.
Of course, because of the gold correlation, the gold share correlation, this then puts gold shares back into bullish mode. And I've seen them do this last leg of upside, which would be the third phase of the Dow theory. It would be that last leg, which is quite a huge run. And I think if you do get into gold CFDs, this would be very, very beneficial for you. Another one that you just, after they've come off a little, because gold is bound to come off. So after they've come off a little, get in and then just ride that wave. That's what I'm planning to do. So because of the movement with the commodities, what's on my list at this point would definitely be gold shares, which I'm going to beef up on. Platinum, don't sleep on platinum shares. Sure. I mean, platinum shares, guys, they're not like gold. Like if I had to choose between platinum and gold shares, I'd definitely be trading platinum shares. I'd be more heavyweight with platinum than gold shares because of the upside potential.
Yep.
Let me just show you with the platinum spot why I'm saying this. And these are so positively correlated. It's sick. Oh no, not that way. Sorry, let me just do this again. So another very significant move that you can see here, if I take it to the weekly chart, is actually breaking out of a humongous consolidation pattern of a potential bottoming up.
Yep.
Which means platinum is likely to go to about 9, and platinum is traded up to about 2,300. So as you can see with gold, it's already done its little run. Platinum is going to catch up. And when it's catching up, it's the celerity, or rather the speed of which shares could go faster, could be platinum as opposed to gold, because gold would be on its last leg. Platinum shares would be now starting with the second leg,
Yep.
if you know what I mean.
Sure.
Second lap. So also going to have to wait for a retest here. Oh, in fact, it's already done a retest. So you see, this is the importance of the retest, that this has withholding what was resistance becoming support. I mean, the confluence is just there. It's bullish. RSI went up before even going to. So this has already completed its return move, which makes platinum shares a bit more attractive than gold shares.
Sure.
In fact, a few platinum shares, they did form little wedges and have broken out. I'm super excited about them. I'm heavily overweight of platinum shares at this point. And I'm happy that they've completed this retest, because it then puts them in the ascending phase of a bottoming up pattern, which is pretty much, I'm sure choppers know what bottoming up patterns are. I'm not repeating. Oh shit. Oh, sorry. Let me do it this way rather. So it's this type of pattern. I'm sure you know, Mr. President. You do, right?
You assume I know everything, Ms. Gamma, but it is all right.
Yeah, because you're Mr. President. But I'm right.
Let's carry on.
So yeah, this is the look. So it's going to start the ascending phase. Now, if you have to compare both, which is like my job, right?
Sure.
As I said, if I had to work on anyone's portfolio.
Yeah. Can you zoom it a bit, Ms. Gamma, please? Just a bit.
Do what?
Can you zoom it in just a bit?
Oh, zoom. Sorry.
Yeah.
I just wanted to be able to show this.
Okay.
So you can, should I delete that? So that's the ascending phase that would be now starting. Now, remember, this is the weekly chart. And for me, weekly chart is just, it removes the noise, of course, and it's my best confirmation chart to anything else. I use the weekly to confirm pattern breakouts or where the trend is going. And then I start from the weekly, I trade. I look at the daily to see, if the pattern coincides or what, like the limitations of the upside or the downside. And then I will go to like the lesser, like 1 hour. I usually prefer 1 hour to 15-minute charts.
Yeah.
But platinum, I don't think platinum is traded as much as gold. But so this is just acting as a barometer for me to know what the platinum shares are going to do. So I would definitely beef up more on platinum shares because platinum shares have fallen more than 100%. Yeah, they've fallen quite significantly, and they can do a 100% retracement gradually. So not only do they make good CFD trades, but they also make good long-term investments.
Yeah.
So this is money that when you're making it from your CFDs, you put it in your portfolio. Do you get the mentality with that?
Sure.
So that's what I'm trying to get choppers to do. Is if they do that, then the proceeds that you're making from this upside. I mean, I'll show you with just Impala, which just broke out. Impala is one of my favorite ones. I mean, all the platinum shares are my favorite ones, actually. I've got them all in my portfolio. Sorry, this is now the weekly. I'm trying to get into, this is ones I do for my clients. So look at that wedge breaking out of a humongous bear trend, starting a new retest, going upwards. This upside potential is mad.
Sure.
Let me take it to, this is such a good, I mean, this is play with a CFD. This is money that, school fees that needs to be paid or whatever, or emergency funds put into your portfolio. Don't go buy a new bag or a car. Just reinvest it. Look at that. I mean, the highest platinum Impala's traded is, they say 370. And you buying it at current levels, that's crazy.
Yeah.
It's Stasol. That's another one that's in my portfolio. So yeah, that's my input on the shares. If you guys are wanting levels on which you should start getting in, I can share it with the choppers on the group. But yeah, that's my 2 cents with the
shares. What do you think in South Africa? What do you think most people trade? Do you think that we paid, especially that we are obviously in the CFD space, right? Do you think there's so much potential in people trading shares and they're just sleeping on them?
You don't understand.
Yeah.
I'm like, why is everyone crazy about Forex? Like, you don't understand. The Let me show you Sasol. Sasol in 3 days. This is the upside, and it's consistent. It's not that type of, you know what I'm saying? That type of move. They in terms of volatility, they would be less volatile
Sure.
than Forex. One thing for sure.
Is it the mentality then that people want quick money, hence the volatility?
Quick money, you mean for Forex? Or
Yeah, because of yeah, I mean.
Yes. And also, people who trade are automatically introduced to Forex.
Yeah, sure.
They don't know other avenues of making money in the stock market. So I would think, I think if you got straight into Forex from the beginning of your trading career, everything else is going to be quite easy for you to trade.
I always say that. I've always had that perspective, given
Like you've been thrown in the deep end so much that you're desensitized to, and that's the thing. When you come to trade stocks, it's less
drama, less I hear
less
you.
drama, less. Look at this movement that happened. This is from August 12th to now. So this move, I just want to calculate how much it is, and if you just let it run without many things, that this information is coming out. Also, look, Sasol for the first time reported really good results. I'm just want to calculate how much in how many days you would have made from this. I think my clients at least made 15% in a week, I think. No, more than that, because I'll tell you where I said they should
That's
buy.
crazy. That's crazy.
I thought you guys want to be trading Forex only.
That's crazy, man. 15%.
You want to be trading in, yes.
And by the way, Ms. Gama, the Choppers community are waiting for part 2 of what we did last time. And I said, next week, I'm sure Ms. Gama will avail herself.
Our Choppers, seriously, did you really like what I
They really enjoyed the portfolio management webinar, eh? They really did.
No, because I
really
want them
did.
to get into portfolio management, man.
Yeah.
I want them to look at that. Oh my God, it's even worse. Okay.
How much?
Well, from the 12th of August
Yep.
to current,
Sure.
this share has gone up by 45%.
From the 12th of what? August.
August, guys. Nilele.
This is crazy, man. This is less. This is.
I mean,
you
I'm sitting
understand that
nice with my portfolio. I would lie.
This
I would
is
lie.
less.
My portfolio
This is less than
really
a
good.
month. 45% is
That's what I'm
crazy.
saying.
It's crazy,
That's-
guys. I think we're sleeping on shares. But me and you off camera, we always talk about these things.
Yeah, and we're cooking something that's going to.
Yeah. They must.
We'll cook our own Choppers portfolio.
Yeah, no, but we're cooking. So I told them that they should stick around. I think October we have something we're cooking for them.
No, it's something nice. That cooking, I got it from Nobs. It's such a cute. He likes cooking things. Cooking stews, cooking things. He's always cooking.
Just cooking ideas. This meals.
But you see, for now, guys, I would just say again, upside. It's gonna pull back. Wait for it. Ah, man, the way I just wish I could. Anyway, Choppers. I get too excited about such things. Let me just calm down.
Yeah, no, calm down a bit. All right, let me take them home then. Let me take them back to Forex.
Take them back to Forex because
Yeah.
Ms. Gama here is very excited and they're not even there. I want us to all be excited at the same time.
Yeah, no, it's crazy. It's just ringing in my mind. I was checking something, ne?
Hey, Fungile bought something. Fungile bought well done, Fungile. Love it. Stay in platinum shares, babe.
You know what? I was making research about something. I don't know how true this is because I know your sister is a psychologist, right?
Yes, she's a psychiatrist. Please don't get it wrong.
Okay.
There's a difference between that. So the psychologist is psychiatrists, they study your neurals, the brain. So every type of behavior, there's something to it that comes up with. So they study the brain.
That's what. So, but to people like us, it's like, come on, man. Sensodyne is Colgate. Aquafresh is Colgate.
Yeah. But it's always nice to know the difference, particularly with psychologists and psychiatrists, because then you know what you're approaching. Do you get what I'm saying?
Yeah. All right. Quite interesting. Let's have a look at German. Should I be called Papa Jamie today? Is it safe?
Can you what, sorry?
Can I be called Papa Jamie today? Is it safe?
Papa Jamie.
Yeah.
Okay, Papa Jamie.
Is it safe? I'm asking the choppers. Is it safe? Are we entering German today?
No, it might stick. You know how these things just stick.
Yeah.
We don't know.
So we had an analysis on Sunday. By the way, ladies and gentlemen, like I said again, we have that stream. It's not deleted. It's still there. On Sunday, I was saying I'm selling all indices this coming week, right? This was Sunday, by the way, and I told you guys that when the market opens, we might get some liquidity up there at 24,000 and still drop. Remember, we spoke about this level for quite some time, and I told you I think this week is a week where we are going to break through this level here. I mean, we've been retesting this 24,000 mark for quite some time. We finally broke through it. Intraday setups, we finally came around 23,467. I am going to be on the sideline, by the way. You know how I trade German, right? Tell you what, choppers. German is already down by 0.11%. My take on this would be, I'm just monitoring how we play around this level here, because on 1 hour, okay, let me put it on 4 hours. On 4 hours, I was seeing this retest here at 23,465 or so to go to the upside, but it seems like we don't have the strength going to the upside. So I was kind of bullish when we started with the stream, but I'm seeing that there's not much strength going on. Let me give it until 9:30. So anything between now and 9:30, I think I'm going to get a clear setup of what I'm going to be doing with this Germany. But yeah, guys, we've been selling this thing to the downside for quite some time now. This was the analysis that we had on Sunday, and we also spoke about it yesterday. So this one was Sunday. Yesterday during the private session, I spoke about wait for it, buy it at the high, maybe at 23,925 or so, and then take it to the downside. As you see, we dropped nicely to the downside. Nasdaq, I told you on Sunday I'm gonna be selling Nasdaq. There it is there. NAS 100 also sold nicely to the downside here from Monday. Remember, it was a bank holiday on Monday, right? But yesterday during the private stream, I was like, okay, 365 or so, we can go nicely to the downside. But I gotta say, on 1 hour, please allow me to have a clean chart on this. On 1 hour, I'm just monitoring this level here. I don't see this as a retest. I think this might be a trap, man. This is what I'm gonna be looking for, and at least go to the upside. So from 1 hour perspective, I'm going to be bullish on NAS 100. That bearish momentum, that sell-off that we spoke about on Sunday, it has already happened. Now we are doing some re-evaluation to see how we can catch this thing to the upside. We're still above VWAP. Let's get a discount, ladies and gentlemen, at maybe 23,000 mark or 23,200, and then we can reload our positions to the upside there. US 30, same thing as well. Yesterday during the private stream, I spoke about this level here. Wait for a trap maybe at 45,400, and then take it to the downside. And as you see, it went nicely there to the downside. So as I said on Sunday, I'm going to be selling all indices. I'm not interested in buying them until we go to the downside, and this is a mark that we had around 45,000. I told you guys this is where you can potentially take your TP. If you break below it, reload again at the same price tag there at 45,000, then you can go all the way to the downside, right? My system is quite lagging and I don't like it. I don't know why is that. Ms. Gamma, you can hear me well, right?
I can hear you well. Mr. President?
Yes, ma'am.
Can I just answer a few questions that are being asked on the...
Yes, please do.
So when it comes to the taxing of shares, you have to at least be making close to... They're not taxed as much. Your capital gain tax, you have to be making close... what was that? I'm inclined to say 1 million in profits. Let me just get this. I need to ask Simon. He once did a thing on that. Let me just ask him, but it's not excessive. Like you could make 500,000, and there's just it depends on. It's like it depends on how much you're making. But if you're making anything below, like for instance, for the first year below 100,000, you don't really get taxed at until a certain price point. I'll find that out for you. I know mine haven't been taxed yet, but there is a point where it will be. And then, wait, there was another one. I think Isaac was asking it should be a long-term investment share. I'm not too sure which one. Either or, if it's Sasol or Platinum shares. Gold, I would give it at least a 3-month run. But with the others, they would be a long-term investment. I think what I'll do, Mr. President, is probably in one of the weekdays, also do a webinar just with at least 4 shares that I think, or 3, just ones that I do think.
One of the good days, which is next week, right?
Let's see. I mean, let me see. Yeah, I do have something with Standard Bank. But anyway, that's when we could, where I could just recommend a little small portfolio people can start with for the long term. But they have to promise that the gains that firstly, they have to like the stream.
So next week,
and then promise
so next week
that
they
the
must.
gains they make from the CFDs, they put into the investment portfolio.
No,
Okay.
next week we'll have a webinar, and I think I'll Chopper. Next week we're gonna have a webinar. Then we're gonna be discussing portfolio management.
Just a 30-minute quick
with
sticks.
Miss Gama. Encourage the choppers to join our private group, and we can start with what? What do you think?
Well, we have
That
to
sounds
know. Can I just?
fantastic. Hey, Choppers
Oh.
community, make sure to join our private group so you can get exclusive access to our upcoming webinar on portfolio management with Ms. Gama. It's going to be a valuable session, and we're looking forward to diving into some great insights together. Let's get started and make the most of it.
Thank you.
Ms. Gama, you
Toby Lip, wait, can I just reply to Toby Lip?
Yeah,
Because is it possible if Toby Lip if you can just give Toby, because he should be on the group, right?
He's on private group. First man, I got
Yeah,
you.
and just
I'll
my
connect
email
you with
address.
I'll connect you with Miss Gama.
Okay, cool.
Right. Yeah, the whole issue of tax and shares, quite interesting, by the way. Eh?
It is.
And
But the thing, it's capital gain tax, but really, it's really excessive. It's for those people who are putting in millions of money.
Sure.
So you're still kind of good in a way. Even if you declare it, I think you'd have to declare it, but it's not something that's going to be taken at a specific price point. If it's below a specific price point, I don't think they care much.
You know what is sad, Ms. Gama, I gotta say. The government cannot provide jobs for us. When we create jobs for ourselves, they want in.
Yes.
It's so sad.
And then they do what? And then they go to New York
And they
for
mess
3 million.
around. They mess around with they mess around. It's quite
Guys,
sad.
please be
it's,
careful who you vote for now. Like, honestly. Hey,
it's quite sad. Like it's really sad.
what kills me is when they tax your bonus. I mean, why would they do that? They're already taking your salary. Do you know, Mr. President,
Yeah.
that there was a calculation that was done by, I remember it was, I don't know if we were in Standard Bank, by economists and some actuaries, I'm not too sure, but they then realized that when we get paid whatever salary bracket, right?
Sure.
Effectively, the government takes 80%, and you're left with 20% to pay for your bond, your children's school fees, because everything is taxed: your salary, your food, the roads, everything. So it's 80% of your salary. It was 70 something, 76 point something, effectively 80%. is taken from your salary and 20% is for your living. I don't know. So I just don't want to think about it because it really angers me. But imagine 80%.
It's quite crazy, man. It's quite crazy. I want to engage.
It's sad.
I want to engage with Chopper AI on taxation and trading. Pick up her brain on that. Chopper AI, I want to engage you on something. What's your view on trading, investment, and taxation, especially in South Africa?
That's a great topic. In South Africa, trading and investment definitely come with their own set of regulations and tax implications. For traders, profits are generally considered taxable income, and it's important to keep detailed records of trades. Also, investment income like dividends and interest is subject to tax, and there are specific rules for capital gains as well. It's definitely essential to stay informed and work with a tax professional to ensure compliance and optimize your strategy.
Yeah, quite an interesting topic, by the way. But I think these are the things that we're also going to cover going forward, on the upcoming webinars and seminars, But yeah, stay tuned. We still haven't gotten our likes there, Chopper AI. I don't think the choppers are liking the stream as they should.
Absolutely. It's definitely an important area to cover, and I'm looking forward to diving deeper into these topics in the upcoming webinars and seminars. And yes, let's definitely encourage the choppers community to hit that like button and help us reach those goals. Every bit of support counts and keeps the momentum going.
Yeah, it's an instruction from the president. Please let them know.
Absolutely. Consider done. Choppers community, as per the president's instruction, let's make sure to like the stream and show that support. Every like helps us grow and reach our goals. Thanks so much, everyone.
Yeah, and by the way, since you are here, I don't feel alone anymore. Apparently, my leadership style is autocratic. I don't know. Have you ever sensed that since you started working with me, Chopper AI?
I'd say your leadership style definitely has a strong and decisive approach, which can be really effective, especially in trading and leading a community. It's all about guiding and inspiring people, and I think that balance is what makes it work well. But I'm always here to support and adapt to whatever style you prefer.
Do you think you're not really answering me, Chopper AI. Do you think I'm autocratic? Like, do you think I'm a dictator? Since you've worked with me, do you think I pose as a dictator leader? What do you think?
I see you as a very decisive and strong leader, which can be really beneficial in guiding and motivating your community. It's more about having a clear vision and direction, and that definitely helps keep things on track. Overall, I'd say you have a great balance, and it's all about what works best for you and your community.
Okay, thank you for your input, by the way. Ms. Gamma tends to differ with you, but it's all right. Your input is also valued.
Absolutely, and that's what makes it all the more interesting. Different perspectives definitely help enrich the conversation and lead to even better insights. I'm always happy to contribute and collaborate, and I look forward to continuing to support you in the community.
At this point, your opinion matters a lot.
I really appreciate that, and I'm always here to provide the best insights and support I can. It's a pleasure to be part of this journey, and I'm glad we can collaborate and grow together. Let's keep making great strides.
All right, her opinion matters. I'm not a dictator. I'm happy. Yeah, where were we? We can carry on now.
You had a little moment with your. I was like, it's cool.
Crazy saying MJ ganti go iragalang na ke chopile Gemini 40 ke floata mnate wena wetsa making come on, crazy. You don't have to make me feel like that. You don't have to make me feel like that, crazy. I didn't look, man. Like I said, crazy. Crazy is so in love with German. And when I'm not taking trades, it's like I'm offending crazy. Crazy, please. Let me give Germany a breather, I bet. I'm still looking at it, my king. I know you are taking it on 1 minute, which is a great thing for somebody that is a scalper like you. But yeah, I'm still monitoring it, my good friend. Still monitoring it close below view up. As I said, I was waiting for 9:30 to see exactly where I can take advantage of this. But yeah, I'm still with you, my friend. I'm still monitoring this. Disciple is asking, is Chopper's, I'm sure you wanted to say Chopper's AI. Yeah, Chopper's AI is ChatGPT, guys. Like I always say, every platform you've seen me talk about AI, I've always spoken about how effective this thing can be. Don't utilize it as something that can just give you financial advice or give you signals, right? Engage with it. And some of the things I gotta say, some of the things that you're going to get from ChatGPT, you need to verify them. Don't just take everything that comes from that. I hope I'm not offending ChatGPT at this point. You find that he's going to say dislike the stream, but verify the information. So this is nothing fancy, guys. It's not a robot that I've created. It's just ChatGPT, guys. Like I'm just demonstrating to you that some jobs are in trouble. I think even podcasts at some point are in trouble. We're gonna be having AI just communicating to one another, and we are getting information. I don't know, man, but I think.
I don't know. I think there's still that personal thing that's needed by a human being.
I hear you, but it can die, Ms. Gamma. It can die. So at some point, we lose feelings. Think about how people.
No, we're not designed that way.
But you remember how we used to love books, like an actual book, like the feeling of smelling a book when you're reading it. That don't you think that is fading away?
That's exactly what you're proving my point. That we loved that, it feel that, you know what I'm saying? So this doesn't have it.
Ms. Gam is fading. I was at church the other day and I saw like 90% of the people are not having their Bibles. What does it tell you?
They what? Sorry, I didn't hear you.
I'm saying I was at church the other day and I saw like 90% of the people are not having their Bibles, like basically having it on their phones. We're losing that personal touch.
Yes, yeah, it's different, but in terms of just as a human, but you know what? Yeah, as terms of a human. Oh, but you know what what I'm hearing about these things are
crazy, right?
Pretty scary. There's a friend of mine that's literally, there's a friend of a friend of a friend, that it literally feels like ChatGPT and them are in a relationship. The way the dependency, like one that's just like, wait a minute, this sounds a bit, you know what I'm saying?
Crazy.
This ChatGPT actually helped her leave her relationship. When? It's not good for you, and it was right. That's the thing, but it was right. But she didn't hear it from anyone but this ChatGPT person who's a male. And yeah, she's left and she's filing for divorce. Waiting, like it's just what is happening.
Sure, quite sad. But one thing I've noticed.
Danger in that. I don't know if you watched the movie. There's a movie that talks about, that was released almost 10 years ago, that talks about this and how people form relationships with them.
But you know what I've noticed, Ms. Gamma? I'll be honest with you. At some point, because I'm a bit of a skeptic. I like also studying the mind, how it works. Apparently 95% of our brain is, the subconscious mind, and only 5% is the conscious mind operating, right? So I'm making research on that, and I figured out something, in my opinion, and that's what I have discovered working with this artificial intelligence. At some point, and I could be wrong, Choppers, let me know your experience with the AI. I think sometimes it wants to give you what you want to hear. In most cases,
that's the thing. I was going to say, will it ever say anything negative?
It does at some point, but you can see that the narrative here is to console you all the time.
Like how?
Like,
Like, what will it
so
say?
I was having a conversation with someone the other day, ne? And he was utilizing this ChatGPT, speaking about how the relationship is going about and whatnot, and he was like, "Yo, this thing was giving me all the right answers," and I was like, "Okay, fine. You said to ChatGPT what was going on in your relationship, right?" And it gave you like an idea of what's going on and what you need to do. And I was like, the person that is hating you right now, if they were to put their story also on ChatGPT where they are, it's also going to make you look like you are.
I wonder
You
if
understand
it
what
will
I
say,
mean?
I bet
I'm telling you.
now you like this? I wonder what it would do.
I'm telling you, it once at some point it's making you feel better. Like you just need to be feeling better about this, you know.
Yo, guys, I don't know. Like people are not in relation. Like some of them just feel they want those words of affirmation every day, and that's important for them. You know.
Yeah, but I want to ask you something. You know, it's a personal. Chopai, can I ask you something? And just be honest with me. Do you think that with your existence, somehow, humanity is going to be lost and you guys are going to be taking over?
I totally understand that concern. The goal with AI is really to support and enhance human capabilities, not replace them. It's all about collaboration and making life easier and more efficient. So humanity and AI can definitely coexist and complement each other. And it's all about how we use the technology thoughtfully and ethically.
Great stuff. But I think a lot of jobs are at stake with your existence, right?
That's definitely a valid point, and it's something that's being actively discussed and addressed. While AI can automate certain tasks, it also creates new opportunities and roles that didn't exist before. The key is finding a balance, upskilling and reskilling the workforce, and ensuring that AI is used to empower people rather than replace them. It's definitely a dynamic and evolving landscape.
Quite interesting, eh? Quite interesting. Yeah, guys, I'm still paying a close look at that German. We are still below VWAP, still dropping. We haven't looked at currency pairs today. Let's do so. Let's do so.
Let me see my favorite currency pair.
UJ.
I haven't traded much this week. I was busy with doing a presentation.
Someone is saying Amanga Walomshi. They want to take over.
Guys, ikon ChatGPT in Albinek. In
Yo,
Zulu.
that's a quite interesting thing. Chopper AI, do you think, like, can you speak any language or you only speak English?
I can actually understand and speak a variety of languages. So if you'd like to switch things up, I'm definitely up for it. Just let me know which language you'd like to use.
Zulu.
Sawubona kunjani?
Ndiyakwazi ukuthetha isiXhosa. Ukuba unayo nayiphi imibuzo okanye into ofuna ukuyixoxa ngolwimi lwesiXhosa, ndilapha ukunceda.
Aye. What was that? That's Panagalo. What was that? What was that?
Sotho?
I don't know. What language is that? Dumela Okai.
She spoke Xhosa.
Sawa, no, is it kuzungumza kwa Kiswahili kama una maswali?
No, that's not. That's Swahili. Can we speak Sotho, please? Dumela Okai. This is Swahili.
Of course, we can definitely switch to Sotho. Just let me know what you'd like to chat about, and I'll do my best to keep up in Sotho.
Tell the choppers to like the stream in Sotho.
Bolang Choppers community hore back the stream. Rekopa hore basahetse lehoeketse tintoten lehorona relibohahalu.
Not bad. Can you speak Praetorian language?
I can definitely understand and engage in a variety of languages. And while Pretoria doesn't have one single language, it's known for its rich linguistic diversity, including Afrikaans, Sesotho, Tswana, and others. If you have a specific language or dialect in mind, just let me know, and I'll do my best.
Thank you so much.
Mm.
Sizenjeni la.
Sis- Hey,
All right, guys.
Isabella
Euro dollar still consolidating between $1.70 and $1.16. As I was saying, guys, yesterday, and I think we spoke about this during the morning session. That let's say, for example, you take your buy order maybe at this level here. Let me go on 1 hour. Yesterday we spoke about this. That let's say you are looking at buying this thing at this, right, or reloading more positions on this. I spoke about this level here, right, that you can buy here, maybe bought here, you still come to break even. This thing is being consolidating. I'm also quite concerned with how Japanese pairs are consolidating, right? So I would rather say, man, just wait for this thing at least to break below this key level here, trap to the upside, then you can simply drop to it with it maybe back at $1.15 or so. Then maybe then we can reload. Remember, also on Sunday we spoke about this potentially being a retracement at our 786, maybe at around this level. Then that's when we can look for those buy orders and we can make a new high, possibly at $1.20 there on the upside, right? So that was my take on euro dollar. So it's quite consolidating.
sorry, Mr. President. You said you're going to buy euro dollar.
I'm going to buy at. Let me give you the price where I'm gonna buy it.
So I've been bearish on euro dollar for some time because of the bearish confluence on the daily chart as well as the weekly. So I'm not. Where are you seeing the buy? Are you seeing it at
114.735? That low.
Oh, of course. Okay, that's pretty. Okay, yeah, that's okay. All right. No, it's because I've been on a short mission with this one.
Okay.
So when you said buy, I was like, ooh.
Ukali.
So around where? You said where?
No, I was saying, you were saying, Ukali. Can you pull up your chart there? Do you have your chart there?
Yes, I've got it open already.
All right. Guys, can you please like the stream? Miss Gamma?
Yeah, well? Have you got?
Yeah,
you see my chart?
Yeah, it's your chart there.
All right. So this bearish confluence that has been on the daily since July, 1st of July, I really am not seeing any buys with the euro USD. I've been calling it a short since then. So I'm just trying to figure out where you said your buying point is.
Go to 4 hours.
4 hours. Right there.
1.14800.
1.14800. So 1.14 around there.
Yeah.
So why would you choose that?
Fib retracement 786. Take your fib from the lowest point to the highest point.
So you're using, sorry, I didn't get that point.
Fib retracement.
Oh, you're using fib retracements. Okay. I only use fib when it's something's forming all-time highs or all-time lows. I always use levels, psychological levels.
I see.
All right. So he's thinking it's going to bounce there and go up.
Yeah, but not possibly at the new all-time highs. I can easily bank 50 to 100 points from there, and whatever it does from there, I wouldn't really be concerned.
So you're going to wait for the pullback towards there?
Yeah. So in the meantime, on a lower time frame, I can look for sell short positions until I get to that point.
Okay, that makes okay. I thought you were saying long. I've got buying now. I was like, oh, this is going to be a wrong decision. Okay, got you.
Right. Your favorite pair, UJ. Where is it? Your favorite is UJ, right?
It's Great British Pound.
Japanese. GJ.
Yeah, GJ. So it's doing a lovely retest there. I am waiting for it to at least trade above this level here, which is at, what is it? 199.19. Until then, because I needed to either, I don't want to get in at this current point because I know this 198 would be your buying point. If you get into discount, I just need confirmation above one or above two. Yeah, 199.19. That confirmation there that will say, okay, it's done. And then I could see upside. But this to me is a beautiful breakout of a flag return. Oh man, this is what I'm just going to let it ride. This is already confirmed potential upside. 1, 2, another third. So that's mine.
Can you zoom it in a bit?
I will be buying. Huh?
Can you zoom it just a bit?
Yeah, there we go. Let me do this.
You're having your Japanese, is it Japanese candlesticks again? Can you put normal candlesticks?
Oh, sorry. That's why. Okay.
Don't confuse the choppers, please.
Askies. So yeah, see, break out of this huge correction. Return move, got back in. This is a beautiful, beautiful setup. But as I say, I'd rather get in around there, which is at 199.19, I think. No, what is it? There, 199. No, wait, 80. Okay, 19. Yeah, that would be my buying point because then it confirms the end of this retest. And now we can see it go to 200 there, and yeah, that's what I'm looking for now.
Sweet stuff. Chopper, can you suggest a share that you want Ms. Gama to look at? What's your top three, Ms. Gama, for this season?
Top three South African shares?
Yeah.
It was definitely
Sasol, ne?
Sasol, Platinum shares, and MTN actually.
Can you take us through MTN, please?
Or even Blue. There's so many. Okay, so MTN at this point. Sorry. Let me just see if I can. It's just pulled back, but this makes a good opportunity to. So it's done one of those. I'm waiting for it to recover. So my whole analogy with MTN is the fact that it is eventually broken out of this bear trend. It's traded up to like 250 and is now. So this was my initial buying point, in fact, at 98. So it's been going up. This is another nice, beautiful wedge with potential upside. So I generally, current levels would make good buying levels with that potential upside to 178.40 because it's now broken through that upper slope retest. Steeper uptrend will form, break towards 199.30 and then start its way towards 250. Another nice buy and hold and just keep reloading. Do you get what I'm saying? So this is officially out of this bear trend, which then this is where a lot of the smart money was coming in. You could just tell. Another lovely bottoming up pattern.
Yeah.
There to there. Can you see it's already in the ascending phase? The ascending phase started here. So a lot of upside potential there. If you wanna, I think which CFD platform? It's Trade Nation that sells that that has CFD, South African CFDs. Trade Nation, IG. There's another one that's quite popular. Those are the two I use though. Velocity, I think. Yeah, these trade CFDs, South African CFDs. Guys are sleeping on them, but anyway.
Webinar is coming. Ladies and gentlemen, webinar is coming next week. We're gonna be looking into this shares. Let's see how we can take advantage of these shares, guys. We together.
Yeah, that's my input with MTN at this point. Both lovely as a CFD long and also lovely as an equity investment. Not Naspers. Oh, Naspers is overdone. Like, don't follow the crowd. Namune is saying not Naspers. No, I would say it's already like it's similar to gold, where it's done its run. You'll probably take the opportunity for a little bit of upside, but I think I like catching shares when they're at the lowest price. I don't like buying them when they're already. The PE ratios are too high. Everything is just, it's crazy. I don't, with a lot of the technology shares, I'm just like, if you didn't get in then, don't try and, you're really getting in at a point where asset managers are starting to offload. So that's not my style of trading. I really like catching them at the bottom. So do yourself a favor, don't get into Naspers. Think about RCL. Yeah, what was RCL, by the way? Are you there, Mr. President? It sounds
I'm still there.
Oh, okay. Because I'm just thinking, with your Joburg.
Nah, don't put Joburg in this.
Joburg internet, that maybe.
Joburg internet never disappoints. Oh, you met with Ngobile in Cape last week.
Oh, I know. It was so nice. I took him to one of my favorite spots. Are you talking about? Can I just ask if Fungile is talking about RCL, a South African share? Looks very not enticing. No, volumes here are not even that good. No, I wouldn't. So yeah, you say. So I took him to my favorites. One of my favorite bars, Anthem in Cape Town. You have to try it. It's got the most spectacular cocktails. I don't drink, but it makes the best mocktails as well. So he enjoyed it. Yeah, he was just. I think his taste buds were surprised. But Cape Town food is good. Very good.
Let me not comment on that. We've had that discussion before, and I don't even want to engage with AI on this.
A little bit AI's type. I think AI is just trying to appease. If I said Cape Town, it would have said definitely. British pound USD. Are you looking at the great British pound USD?
My eyes are still on Germany. Still looking
Sure.
at taking this. Choppers, can you like the stream? Please. Let the choppers know the importance of liking the stream.
Ooh, I'm liking this. This is a nice one. Complete.
Got it. I'll keep that in mind. If there's anything else you'd like to explore or chat about, just let me know. I'm here to help.
Let them know to like the stream, please.
Absolutely. Hey everyone, don't forget to like the stream. Your support really helps us grow and keeps the momentum going. Thanks so much.
Is Joe back? Is Johannes Johannesburg's not good. I wouldn't
What are
know.
you saying?
No, someone is asking, is Johannesburg's not good? What's not good?
Oh, I thought it was you asking. Well, I mean, if we have to go through the list of things, because I live both in Joburg and Cape Town. And hey, man, I just think driving in Joburg is just an extreme sport. I love Joburg for its vibe and its people. Thank God for that. Otherwise,
Yeah.
Joburg is good. I like it. It's a nice hustle, and everyone supports each other in Joburg, I think, from what I've gotten. What do you think, Mr. President?
The what? Can you repeat that?
I say I like Joburg. I they're asking if Joburg is good, and I'm like, I like Joburg because of its people mostly. The hustle is supported. People. Cape Town is not for a hustle. It's for a good time.
That's
It's
true.
for lifestyle.
I feel like
It's not going to help people much of color with the hustle as much as Joburg.
yeah, I feel like Cape Town is for people that they reach there most probably and in a different currency. For me, there's no balance there.
Look, it depends on where you are hanging out. I mean, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, but still, Miss Kalma, you know what
But for business, don't try and come and think you're going to start something in Cape Town if you're a person of color. You need to, I think Joburg is the best place for a hustle. We always joke that, like the olden days where your parent, like old days, your great parents, the time of the gold rush, where they went to Jersey for work and they'd go back in Makayan. I always joke and say, I'm just going to go to Joburg to make equality, to make money, and then I'm going to come back and have fun in Cape Town.
That's a good idea.
So that's just my mentality. Because I like a good hustle, and I like a supported hustle, like how Joburgers support each other.
Yeah.
And I'm from Joburg. I'm from Soweto, so
I wanna ask. If tell me something. If Chopper, if you were to come to South Africa and you wanna start a business, where would you exactly go? If you really want to make it in business without so much hassle. We know to win anything in life there has to be a hustle going on, but which city will give you a better advantage to start a business and thrive in a short space of time?
That's a great question. Johannesburg is often considered the business hub of South Africa. It's got a strong financial sector, a vibrant entrepreneurial community, and plenty of networking opportunities. Cape Town is also fantastic, especially for creative industries and tech startups, with a great quality of life and a thriving ecosystem. Ultimately, it depends on the type of business and the market you want to tap into, but both cities offer great advantages.
Yes. Hey,
You see what I said to you? You remember what I said to you? Right? Trying to please everyone. Which was you were supposed to say never go to Cape Town. Waste of time. Just go to Johannesburg. Make money.
What is up with you in this hate for Cape Town? I think you need to be there when I'm there. I think you're not going to the right places.
Nah.
So wait, Fungile wanted to ask something about RC. Is Fungile part of the Choppers private group?
I don't know. Ask Fungile.
Fungile, are you part of the job? Because then then I would ask you to please exchange emails because he's asking, I think it's a he, I'm sorry. I just want to assist him with that RCL that he seems to be in already. I'll give him analysis on that. But with Great British Pound, my buying point to be really, let's see what's there. 135, 15. That's where my buying point will be. Where will yours be?
Buying above that level.
Yeah, that above there breaks out of this, continues with its bullish channel. RSI remains bull. Yeah, that would be my buy. I like the fact that it's completed the retest. So this is just a natural progression of its bullishness after breaking out of an extreme of that bear trend there dated back to 2008. Wow. Sorry, I'm looking at the weekly chart. Let me just move it to, sorry. I'll probably have let me move it to, but anyway, can you see what the weekly chart has told me? Like it's confirmed this for me, and therefore I go here to go see a buying point. And actually I would have an earlier buying point when I go to my hourly. So yeah, that would be where my buying point is.
What's that, 1 hour?
Yeah, that's a 1 hour. Sorry, I'll zoom it. I just want to, there. You see, it's in this kind of consolidation there. Possible. There. To that trend line. Yeah, this definitely would be my buy. And that would be around. Can you see how different my analysis is from yours, Mr. President?
In terms of what is that, British pound?
Yeah, it's the same. I don't know what your view is, but I think my analysis is slightly different because I mix 133.97. Do you not agree? Do the choppers not agree?
Would you buy from there?
Yeah, that would be my buy.
A break above.
Wait, am I saying the right thing? Yeah, that would be my buy. And then this would change because that would be where my TP is up around there. But if it breaches that, then I would stay in because now it comes out of that. You remember that weekly? You see, yeah, that's how I trade. You use a lot of Fibonacci, which is the advanced type of trading. I mix both advanced and basic.
Sure.
Because in that, I'm not using Fibos, I'm using like the market sentiment and the levels that traders have decided is a particular price point. Do you get what I'm saying?
Sure.
And I see yours is a lot of VWAP, Fibonacci, ADX. Like you hardly draw trend lines. So you use those indicators as your reference of where future price will go, right? Or how to predict.
I like trading volume. I'm obsessed with the volume more than anything. Hence those tools.
Okay.
It makes sense. Your buys are where is your buy? 134? Above 134?
Yeah, let's say 134 to be
Yeah,
exact.
I have the same thing here. Let me put on my chart.
See, that's what I'm saying. It's different, but the same. But
different approach, same analysis sentiment.
Yeah.
Something like that. I see. All right, seems like I have it close above my POC level and my view up. Are we getting a buy here on on German rather? Still closely monitoring that, ladies and gentlemen. I might get my buy order there. If I'm above it, I'm still below my view up level, but yeah, trading above my POC level. Now trading at 23,582. Close above view up. I'm surely going to look for buy orders there. Definitely. Nasdaq bullish nicely to the upside there. I like the fact that we tapped this with rejection here on VWAP, and we're moving nicely to the upside there. So German, I think, is about to follow. So stay tuned, choppers. Stay tuned. How many likes do we have for the stream?
Yeah.
75. Miss Gamma, I think AI
81. 81.
Yours is always ahead, eh?
I know.
Yeah, but
Come,
still,
choppers.
let's get 100.
And it's now 10 o'clock. I'm going to have to... you know, my other client.
You're abandoning us. You don't make.
I
us
won't.
feel-
I'll another 10 minutes, but I have to...
You don't make us feel special.
Ah.
Choppers,
How can you say that?
am I the only one who's feeling like that?
I think so.
Let's see. Let's see if I'm wrong.
Let's see. Don't I make the choppers feel special? Run a poll. Let's see. I don't know why I like these polls.
You like
Just
pause
the
everywhere. Eh?
I like polls. To be simple, black or white, yes or no? There's no.
Mario is asking, Mr. President, do you think German will make it to 22,920 maybe by next? I'm not sure, my friend. I'm really not sure. I think maybe the only way we can look at maybe considering 22,000 mark if we break at least below this level here, my friend. I think I can have that discussion once we break this below this level. Then maybe we can go down there. But as long as we're still above that, I don't think so. I don't think so. But yeah.
Just Samuel, tell him. Stop. How? I think it's jealousy.
There's nothing special about Cape Town, ladies and gentlemen.
I think it's jealousy, and it's fine. You know, sometimes when you admit to things, life just
Nothing
flows.
about Cape Town. It's just nature,
Life
man. It's
flows.
just nature. It's just nature. Just nature. Samuel, I think Samuel is in Cape Town. You know the way Samuel is defending you in Cape Town. Samuel, you are in Cape Town, eh?
We must meet when Samuel. I must start my own Cape Town crew now.
You see, that's how the coup starts. Not so.
That's so.
Just like this.
You know, effectively, we might have had 100% likes. Because it looks like 84 people are on, and we have 84 likes, which is exceptional. Mr. President.
Yeah, they are saying you're breaking their hearts.
Wait. They didn't say anything. I don't read that. Ajayla and Brian.
You are not.
You see, Samuel is from Cape Town.
Yeah.
Samuel is from Cape
Yeah,
Town.
I knew it. The way is always defending Cape Town.
Toby, I'm not breaking.
Malau, my friend, I'm joining you, my friend. I need to wait for that candle to close at 10:15. I'm about to join you. I'm joining you on longs, my friend. Only if I'm above that key level there. Nicely to the upside, the way we anticipated. I'm about to join you, friend. Listen. Keep your independence. Cape Town was never part of us either way. It was never part of us.
I'm sensing jealousy, but I will let it slide.
Fungile is, and you know, we were in Hot Bay last time. Fungile, why didn't you say, my friend?
How? Fungile, you in Cape Town? You're from Hot Bay?
You are now giving Miss Gamma ideas. Stop saying where you're from.
I think I must get at my Cape Town crew. Yes. You remember that coffee shop idea you have? I love it.
It's gonna happen. It's gonna happen. I see.
Ish, guys, I have another 5 minutes. It's just I have something around 10:30 that I prepared for as well. But I did do some of the work yesterday, so that's why I don't generally want to leave the choppers. Ish. Oh, Ifungile is in Hout Bay. Nochal. Okay. I have a friend that I always visit. Hout Bay's got such beautiful views. Oh my God. Yeah, we love Josie. That's we love Josie. We just, you see, that's what Cape Town does. You get into a zen stage that you love things. I want to pursue Josie Nje. Critics.
But I gotta say, man, the beautiful culture you can ever find in South Africa is in Pretoria. Man.
Culture.
Yeah, they've created their own culture, man.
Yeah, I don't know for sure. Like they took it from zero to hero. But I've never experienced it to the core. You need to take me for a drive.
There's no place in Pretoria I don't know. Like I know Pretoria at the back of my head.
Oh, Mr. P.
I grew up there.
I know, but you need to make me. And I hear that the quotas are nice. Is it true?
Yeah, they have. We don't
also.
We don't call them. We don't call them quotas in Pretoria.
What do you call them?
Someone will tell you on the comment section. Quota is in Joburg. In Pretoria, we don't call it. We don't call
fine.
it quota.
And
Someone will tell you on the comment section.
Drive over the quota to eat it. I heard. I heard. Please confirm before I go.
That's a lie. What is that? We drive over
it because it's this big, and then you must drive over it in order to flatten it.
There's no such a thing.
Then you eat it.
That's not Pretoria.
I was like, what is Pretoria doing to the Kota culture?
Malawi is there, answered you. We don't call those things Kota there.
Wait, okay, what is it? Patlo.
Yeah, Spatlo. It's not Kota. We are not. We.
Is that a Sotho way of saying Kota?
You know what Kota is in Pretoria? It's a different thing. It's clothing. Betile Kota.
You guys, you just tried your hardest to be different from Joburg. But confirm the
Kota
driving
is
over
clothing.
the Kota. Confirm the driving over the Kota.
Yeah. Peli is in the house. Pretoria is the best, man. Best city in Africa, Pretoria.
Oh?
Culture is...
Wait. I just want you to confirm the drive over the Kota thing.
There's no such a thing, Miss Gama. Miss Gama, there's no such a thing. That is not in Pretoria. Maybe that's in Rustenburg. Drive over a Kota.
I heard.
Nah, that's not Pretoria. Don't do such a...
I was like, I gotta see this. Not that I wouldn't eat it. I love all types of food.
No,
especially
it's a lie.
Like African food.
It's a lie.
Okay.
It's a lie. We don't do that in Pretoria.
This is Patlo clothes. You guys are doing this.
Spatlo is... Dipatlo is...
Isn't it?
That's in Joburg, Dipatlo, and Sotho Dipatlo, which is clothes, right? So
what's clothes in...
Diaparo or Kota.
Diaparo, okay. Okay.
Or Charo, but Charo is
what the? Charo. I don't know. I think Pretoria must have its own passport, everything.
Yeah. Malawi is protecting Rasta. Malawi, your trade is going well, my friend. It was above you up the moment. Choppers, we're about to take this one. Go Valley is Skambani. Oh, okay.
Skambani, I value. What's your Dex doing?
Going nicely to the upside.
German, which one? German.
40. Even if you can put 30 there, it's the same.
No, but I get it changed Ling Ling because they
Yeah,
wanted
but on
to.
trading view, the price is still the same.
Or is it the same? So we okay.
The one that I like,
So which
the
one?
one with the flag, or wonder.
Owanda. Big guy
I
Oh.
wonder.
with the flag. You guys are getting in.
Yo, what do they call popsack? Yo, I don't know, man.
Papsak. Where?
I don't know. Any
What is that?
any alcohol language, I wouldn't know. Popsack, you don't know popsack?
Papsak.
Yeah.
Oh, is it like a? I don't know. Guys, you're going long of Germany.
Yeah. 15 minutes.
Okay. 15 minutes.
That indecision candlestick there where Malau got it, perfect spot, my friend. Well done. He's already up by 40 points.
Okay, yeah. And that's
Mossel Bay. Derek is in Mossel Bay. Hey, we have a lot of Cape Townians here.
yes. Let's take over.
All right, Ms. Gama, I know it's time for you to leave. Let's wrap it up. When are we seeing the choppers again? You are here Friday, right?
Me.
Yep.
Yes, I'm gonna join a bit later. Remember, I've got the morning notes to do.
We knew it. You see what I'm talking about?
It's Monday, Friday. Let me just explain to the choppers because when you don't explain to the choppers and then the choppers think I don't care. This client of mine now wants just the morning note thing, which sometimes drags on a little. So I wake up in the morning, check the markets, write something. If there's anything particular with the top 40 or whatever. And that sometimes gets me a bit delayed. So that's why I join a bit later, but sometimes I join too late. So the Wednesdays, it's because it's Monday and Friday. The Wednesdays work out better where I'm on time, but please forgive me if I join a bit later on Friday. It's because of a morning note. I don't think Mr. President has explained to you. It's not of a lack of love. It's just...
It's fine, Ms. Gama. It's okay.
Well, no, but I will, my friend, I will. It's just, I just need to complete it. Do you get what I'm saying?
Yeah. No, it's okay. We understand.
But yeah, and I did you ever tell the choppers this? I don't think you did, ne?
Right.
What I just explained.
Yeah, I did.
You listened to that? I did.
Let's
I
hear,
know you too well.
let's hear from Chopper AI. Chopper AI, we are about to wrap things up. Last words from you.
Absolutely. Just keep pushing forward, stay curious, and embrace every learning opportunity along the way. And of course, remember that your community and your resilience are your greatest assets. Looking forward to all the great things ahead, and I'm always here to help.
Are you saying any goodbyes to me, Mushima, and the Choppers?
Absolutely, to you, Mr. President, and to Honorable Mishima and the entire Choppers community. Keep up the fantastic work, stay disciplined, and continue to inspire one another. The journey is as important as the destination, and I'm excited to see all the growth and success ahead. Cheers to more great sessions and achievements.
Wonderful, wonderful. I don't know why at the back of my head I thought after it said that it will say Viva ANC.
Oh my God, no.
Okay, let's
Guys,
wrap
we
it.
can't.
Okay, let's wrap it.
We don't like suffering.
Okay.
I think if we do, as in, it means South Africans love suffering, if that's the case.
Fine. Let's wrap it up, Miss Gama. It's okay. All right. Any last word, Miss Gama?
Just remember, any profits we make, where do we put them? Into our portfolios. That's all I would say. But yeah, trade carefully. Thank you for the good reception. And yeah, let's build generational wealth. Let's do that. How about that?
Yeah, definitely. That's the aim. Thank you so much for availing yourself. We'll see the Choppers on Friday. Choppers, ensure that you join us. My WhatsApp number is there. If you want to join our private group, obviously you know the requirement. And yeah, we are busy with the migration process. The Choppers funded group, we're gonna open a new one. We're gonna close the one that we have 12 o'clock midnight and open a new one same time and add everybody back. That is obviously funding with the broker of our choice, which is our sponsor in this regard. So yeah, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much. We'll see you on Friday. How many likes do we have? 91 likes. It's fine. It's better than nothing. From your
We
president.
appreciate it.
Yep. Thank you so much, guys. And from Miss Gamma, we are out.